Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you something really amazing. That's of this superfood beetroot. Beetroot is really amazing for your hair and skin. You can have it as a juice, you can just eat it in your food, and it also tastes really amazing, yes. But did you know beetroot is really good for your hair from the outside? It acts as a good conditioning pr- product for your hair, and it helps your hair get rid of all the dryness and helps you lock in moisture. So today what I'm going to show you is how you can use this amazing food for your hair, and how to make this conditioner and how to apply it, and basically how to get rid of your hair. So if you are someone who has really dry hair, or you've been doing a lot of smoothing, you've been doing a lot of straightening, coloring and so on and so forth, and you find yourself with really dry hair, and this product is going to help you, and it's completely safe, so there are no added chemicals in this. Your hair is going to thank you after you've done this. So let's just get right into it and see how to make our amazing beetroot preconditioner. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that this video helped you, and please do try this at home and tell me it worked for you, it didn't. If there is anything else that you want me to try, and if there's anything better that you think works for dry hair, please do let me know. And yes, thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to #gorgeous.